Welcome to Doubletree by Hilton Kyoto Station. Look at those beautiful bamboo trees. So here's the entrance to the hotel. Okay, a teeny tiny Japanese bathroom. So here's the room. So you can see it's a TV, mirror, there's desk and chair. I think this is a full size or double size bed. And here's the view. So, the view of the street. I wish they would have used more of the room for a bed versus that area over there for TV and desk. So here's the laundry room. The only thing I don't like about this that it's only 2 units in here. For this size hotel, you would think it would be at least 4. Little folding table and 1 chair for you to sit and wait. I actually had to sit in here 17 minutes to wait on a washer dryer. But that's the laundry room.